Hey, can I get a large double? Well, I will say the truck has been on one. It's been working really well. A little bit of nasties on it from our last tug in Feversham. It's also still got some Brampton dirt on the back of it. I recently had a birthday. And my close friends know when I have a birthday, I'm gonna have to ranch after my birthday. So I may be a year older, but that doesn't change the fact that we gotta do some wrenching.
The sun sits 10 feet tall. I like my Ford 350 King Ranch dually lifted high in overdrive. I love my country loud and proud, and I'll stand up for it till the day that I die. Don't ask me Texas, don't ask me Texas, 'cause we got jacked up trucks, 60-ounce steaks, over 7 trillion square feet of wide open space where red, white, and blue run straight through its veins. You can fit 2 Californians in this Lone Star State. So if it don't come supersized, we could care less, 'cause everything's bigger in Texas. Bigger in Texas. Everything is bigger in Texas. Yeah, we drink our beer in 1-liter cans, barrel on whiskey, 2-ton drum. Got tornadoes bigger than the Rio Grande, 'cause that's how we roll when we come. 'Cause we
Well, 51 minutes, set a new record, but anyways, she's out. The fluid's a little ugly, but we expected that. We're pretty sure welded C1s together. We'll get this over to Jamie's and get it tore down and see what we're into. Early bird gets the worm, they say. It's 2 days in a row up at 4 in the morning. We're on our way to Jamie's now. Rip this transmission apart. The weather looks unreal for the weekend, so we had a good day yesterday. We got 115 acres of beans off. So wearing the sunnies because the lights are very bright. Anyways, let's go see what this thing looks like. Well, we made it. I hate bugging people at this time of day, but he understands. He's a farmer too, so great guy. Like to go sledding together too. We go out to the British Columbias and get lost in the mountains every year. C2s? Seem alright? There's some heat in there. Was not C1s. Deeper we go. Warped C3s. Good, good, good. Well, it looks like torque converter had disco potty. I would say I smoked the stator right out of it. Ouchie. So it's 4:30 in the morning, and my buddy Dusty was able to pull one off and get me a converter. So, well, I got in my own head a little bit, and instead of just installing it, I took it apart. But that's kind of neat. Definitely a wee bit of a twist in those. Anyways, everything looks good. C4s are in good shape, so we'll just put it back together. Well, transmission's back in. So it's less than 12 hours to when I pull. Right now we're just putting the torque converter bolts back in. So you put a little bit on there, makes things tight on the socket, still pulls off. I don't know if you've ever dropped a torque converter bolt into the bell housing or not, but I have. Man. Alright, transmission's in. Torque converter bolts are bolted down. It's time. I'm not sure how strong I am today, but we're gonna give it a go. I really should film everything, you know. You wouldn't believe it. I dropped the transfer case, caught it with my big toe, hucked it back up, and it slid right on. No, in all seriousness though, I pretty much dropped it. Like it didn't fall, but that was kind of not good. But we're good now. Well, I didn't set any records going back together, but all that's left is the starter, so good. Okay, we're ready to go down. Unfortunately, this manifold is not long for this world. It is cracked, but we are not changing that. I guess it either works or it doesn't. Loaded up, ready to go.
Might need your receiver.
So what are we doing here, buddy? I like it.
Well, this is unfortunate. We broke this backing up. So things didn't get much better, but got pretty good people in my life. Broke a CV shaft going to the weigh scale. So anyways, right now, unfortunately, Alicia's dealing with our 3 kids, which they're a lot. So she's a rock star. And then Reed and Tim and Matt, they got the wheel off and they got the broken CV shaft out. And Braden Otwell, he had the CV shaft under his seat. So, and then not to mention the tools that I needed, the Ferguson brothers helped me out. So we might still make this.
Look at that. Thanks, Braden.
No problem, bud.
Saves the day.
Well, I guess we're ready to go.
What's that? No, that should be good enough for second place. Way to go, Reed. What is that out there again? Can you say what type of truck is
I think
that
you're
again?
good.
That is a fix or repair daily.
Oh, good one.
You know what, Chris? I will eat my words because
He's got some fans out there. Green flags out. Let's light her up.
Plug.
Okay.
Put the fuel in.
M18 would go faster.
Yeah, it would.
All right.
This content.
Well, I just pull in here and you guys are inside of a 6.4 with no engine. I like it.
It'll shake a little bit.
So what do we have going on here?
It's 480 feeding stock twins.
I like it. And the hood closes.
And a big hole in the hood.
This is something. So what's all the oil and coolant doing on the windshield?
Don't worry about that.
I like it.
There's the phone.
Well, this won't help.
Oh, that's what, dude. The cap was on it.
Try it again. Oh yeah. Well, we're just waiting for a couple people to convoy with. We're ready to go. Oh yeah. Gonna remember to pull off the
Yes.
yeah, we gotta get the cover off that or it won't start. We got Delta Speed Shop rolling in. How's it going?
Good, you?
Good. Bunch of good looking Dodges rolling in. Well, I've never seen this truck. This gets me excited. I like it. Triple CB3s? That's greasy. I mean, you might as well just add more air. I like that. What is it in it? Holy shit, that's big. 88? A little bigger? Is it gonna live?
It's gonna live.
With a 2003 Chevy, Cameron Keffer at a showroom with a 2009 Germex. Right now, we've got Reed Wilson out of Beeford. Our sponsors, along with CJ Excavating, Van Alstyne Automotive, CarQuest Erin, and Toll Rural Enterprises. Green light is given to Tim Dinsmore. Tim Dinsmore. Cameron's got the green light. And here he comes. Cameron Anderson, 23 miles an
First, second, and third in local diesel.
He is warming up, turning up the turbo. Here comes Wade Harms. And the shutter in. Mark to beat, 350.05. Michael Davison from Meaford. Getting you warmed up here. Here we go with Tim Dinsmore out of Chatsworth. Tim right now.
Well, we had a really good season, but unfortunately, it seems like we hurt the motor. It's too bad, but these things happen. So, bigger and badder.